How to create a Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Facebook page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, here you will see this menu option on the top right corner. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, under create, here you'll find page. Tap on page and you should be on the create a page section. Now all you have to do is name your page. Now you can name it whatever you want, so make sure that you make it a bit unique. It can be a name of your brand, business, organization, or whatever that explains your page. So just name it. After you do that, select a category. So let's just say this, and after you do that, you can add a bio if you want to. After you add a bio, all you have to then do is simply, let me just select this. After you choose a bio, you can tap on create page to create the page. You can also add pictures if you want to from here. So tap on create page and your page creation should begin. And it can take a while depending on your internet speed. So wait for it to get created. And while that is done, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. As you can see now, I just got a notification where I can add images or go to my page to add more details. So here you can go through this setup steps that are 1 to 5. You can add your contact website, you can add your phone number, email, location, hours. After that, you can head over to next, and from here you can add your profile picture and your cover photo. Tap on next, and there you can connect your WhatsApp as well. After that, you can start inviting your friends. And yeah, you can just turn on a notification if you want to. After that, tap on done and you'll have created your page in Facebook. And it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.